In this video, we will show you how to properly insert your child's ear mold in their ear. First, let's review the main parts of their device. The ear mold is the part that sits inside the ear. The hearing aid sits behind their ear. The tubing connects the ear mold to the hearing aid. The sound hook is the curved part where the tubing attaches to the hearing aid. You may also hear this called a tone hook. When placing the hearing aid, it is important to make sure the ear mold is fully inserted. Pay close attention to these 3 key contact points to ensure a proper fit. Watch how the audiologist in this video demonstrates the correct technique. To learn more about navigating your child's hearing loss and our pediatric programs, please connect with us by visiting our website or contacting our center.